Hey everyone, Adam with IntoVenture here, and I'm bringing you a video today about edge guards all around the 4runner. Door jams, the back hatch, maybe even the hood lining. I don't know for sure if I'll do that one yet, but you know, that one's got to breathe a little bit more. That's a good thing. So, probably not on that one. But I already have edge guards on here, so let me show you that, and then let me show you what I'm replacing it with, and then just do the project and see how it turns out. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, I already have edge guards on here. Yeah, they just kind of run in here, but they're losing stick in some place. These ones aren't all that rugged. They're probably fine for your everyday application, but I'm looking at replacing it with just a more intensive edge guard. And as you can see, they're just much more rugged. They really clamp to it. They're not even looking for a stick. They just vice grip to it with these little metal pieces that are inside there. But yeah, I think this is gonna hold up a lot better, look better. So I'm excited to do the project. So one of the things that prompted me to do this is that I ended up using that same edge guard material when I did the bumper cut. Go ahead and check that video out if you haven't seen it. But so after I did that, I had this on here, and then I had the different edge guard on the vehicle, and that just kind of drove me crazy. I wanted it all to match. I even have that edge guard on my roof rack for where these locks kind of hit down, and it runs across the entire peak of the wind shear. They provided this one on the bottom. This one's much more thick, but I put this one up top. Just kind of gets rid of that edge. That's nice. So basically all you need to do this is your edge guards themselves. I got these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Rubber mallet, scissors to cut it. And you just kind of go where you want to start it, where there's enough of a bead for it to sit. Kind of pinch the top portion on. It tends to pinch closed on the last time you cut it. So you just kind of start where you want it to, get it put on there, and push the first portion on. And then you just kind of use your rubber mallet and make sure it's kind of in place, but it kind of just glides on. And once you have it where you need it, cut it to fit. Finish it out. So let me bring you on in here. As you can see, you just kind of cut it to fit, put it on there, and just kind of mallet it into place, and it just kind of contours to wherever you need it to. And see, it didn't go all the way up here because I don't have any purchase up here. You know, there's just almost nothing there, but down here it's much thicker. And so we got it all the way down there, and yeah, got these better edge guards here. So I'm gonna finish out the vehicle just like that, and it's gonna look good. So there's actually kind of an inside lip as well that I think would be kind of cool to just have it on, just for overall protection, and I don't know, but I think it'll look good. But this is how this one turned out on the front here. Yeah, just kind of had to wrap that contoured edge, but it does perfectly. It comes all the way down to the base, and just ends up looking good. came out awesome. Just edging all around the bottom. What's cool is that I mean, I like how it looks, but it really does provide that extra level of protection. That's where a lot of rust spots, little dings happen and then rust forms. And anyway, little edges that you can hit your head on when you're out camping and got that thing wide open. So yeah, I mean, I think it came out really good. The doors look good. I even did do a little bit on this this hood section here. So just right in here, and then if you can see up under here, it connects with the little the foam piece on the headlight, so it creates an even tighter seal right there, which is really cool. So it yeah, I think it came out nice. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please please like and subscribe. Remember, at IntoVenture, what up? Anyway, we'll see you guys next time.